Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the scroll box extension presented by Elementor Pro. Let's get started. First of all, you need to activate this feature by going into the plugin dashboard, then the extensions tab and turning on the scroll box extension switcher. Then just save the settings. Now go to the page where you want this feature. Reload the page first. On the text editor field, add as many text as you want to display on your page. Too long for the visitors to get annoyed, but that's where our extensions come to play. Now go to the Style tab, find the scroll box extension at the bottom, click on it and turn on the switcher. See? All the text have now shrunk in a small box with a scrolling button on the right side. From the option, you can adjust the height of the box by dragging the first scroll bar. Right after that, you can adjust the width of the scroll bar placed on the right side. By default, there's no border, but you can add it if you like. The border radius option works on the scroll bar. Then let's change the color of the bar or the thumb into a deep color. Then you can put some light color for the rest of the track. Well, that's how it goes with the scroll box extension. Feel free to use it on your website or blogging site to minimize the total page length and feel ease for the visitors. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have liked. Please subscribe to this channel.